Si Ayus. Panood mo pala to. Happy birthday sa ibe. And sana maging loving ka palalo. And then stay always sweet sa amin and sa family.
Happy birthday, this Tata Ace, and I will always be here for you.
Coming down. I'm going up, up in the air. I'm walking on gold rays. I'm going up to the clouds. I'm walking on gold rays.
Sana lumaki siya ng mabait, mapagmahal sa magulang, lalo na ako. Dahil kami 6 years na kami nagsasama, turuan ko siya magkare-kare. Lahat ng alam ko, ituturo ko sa kanya.
I'm walking on gold rays. All together, everyone, light it up and chase the sun.
Birthday Candies, I know Mama Mi is so proud of you. Nakikita ka niya sa heaven. Sobrang saya ni Mama Mi. Love you! Happy birthday, ate!
Never coming down. I'm going up, up in the air.
You have a family? Happy birthday.
Up to the clouds. I'm walking on gold rays. I'm walking on gold
Candice, happy birthday. Ika-6 mo na taong kaarawan ngayon. Sana lumaki ka mabuting Christian girl at masunurin at lovable na bata. I love you, baby. I love my Epo very much. I love you.
Everybody, what?
down.